Hello friends! Today we are going to draw a
Anemone. Yeah!
in Spanish is
Anemone de mar.
For today's video we are going to use pencils
Markers.
and
Color pencil.
color pencils. Yes. First we're going to make some rocks. We drew a rock because they love being on rocks in tide pools. Right?
One now.
Yes. Okay, so let's draw the anemone. Okay, first we're going to make like a shape, square shape. There you go. Yeah. Wow, that's a big one. Mine is kind of small. Oh, you don't have to do this line because it's attaching to the rocks, so you don't have to do it. Okay, now we are going to do the tentacles. Okay? There you go. Yeah, whatever you feel good doing. There you go. We're going to make more. Look, they look like leaves. And we have more here and more right here. Oh, look at that. Now we're going to do some inside.
Happy ones.
Now we are going to make the eyes. Okay?
Okay.
First, we're going to make one circle on the left and another circle on the right. And inside that circle, we're going to make another circle and two small ones. 1 and 2. There you go. That is going to make the eyes look kind of cute.
I make B.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. One small, one big, and two small ones. Okay, now we're going to make the mouth. Okay, and let's make a tongue. There you go, look at that. Okay, now we're going to make water. It's going to be just like a typo, high typo.
This too water too.
That's water. Anemone, they love being in tide pools. And tide pools are found in intertidal zone, right?
What?
So intertidal zone is where water meets land. Okay, so now we are going to paint it.
I behind to this. I behind here.
Okay.
Behind. With my pink.
Oh, okay, now you have to paint the tentacles.
I don't paint the leaves.
Yeah, well, they are not leaves. Leaves are for plants. These ones are called tentacles. make it purple. My turn.
First red. Has one quarter.
Yes.
Quarters, 2 quarters.
Now we need to paint the water. Do you know how you say water in Spanish?
Agua.
Agua. And this is water from the ocean.
Blue.
Blue. Okay. I have this one. And they are from the ocean, right? Okay, now we are going to write anemone, okay? We're going to write the A. I'm going to make the sounds, okay? A. Now, as a necklace. E. As an elephant. Okay? Now,
Wait.
as a monkey.
As a Maya.
Oh, Maya, yes. Now, as a octopus. Now, as a what?
Look, the same.
Yes, the same. As a necklace. And A. As an elephant.
marker.
Okay, that's okay. Okay.
You're done? Thank you for watching us.